let's try to evaluate 7 and 6/9 minus 3 and 2/5. So like always, I like to separate out the whole number parts from the fractional parts. This is the same thing as 7 plus 6/9 minus 3 minus 2/5. And the reason why I'm saying minus 3 minus 2/5 is this is the same thing as minus 3 plus 2/5. And so you distribute the negative sign. You're subtracting a 3, and then you're subtracting the 2/5. And so now we can worry about the whole number parts. 7 minus 3. Well, 7 minus 3 is going to give us 4. So that's going to give us 4. And then we're going to have 6/9 minus 2/5. So let me think about what 6/9 minus 2/5 are. 6/9 minus 2/5. Well, we're going to have to find a common denominator. So this is going to be the same thing. And I think the least common multiple of 9 and 5 is going to be 45. Literally, them multiplied. They have no common factors. So it's going to be over 45. They go from 9 to 45 to multiply by 5. So I'm going to have to multiply the numerator by 5. So 6 times 5 is 30. And then I'm going to subtract. To go from 5 to 45, I had to multiply by 9. So I have to multiply the numerator by 9 if I don't want to change the value. So 2 times 9 is 18. And 30 45ths minus 18 45ths is going to be something over 45. 30 minus 18 is 12. So this is, if I subtract these two fractions right over here, I get 12 45ths. So it's 4 plus 12 45ths. Or if we wanted to write it as a mixed number, this is equal to 4 and 12 45ths. But we're not done yet. We can simplify this further. 12 and 45 have common factors. They are both divisible by 3. So we can say that this is, actually, they're both divisible by, well, I think we can divide more after that. So let's see. If we divide the numerator by 3 and the denominator by 3, we end up with 4, and 12 divided by 3 is 4. And 45 divided by 3 is 15. 4 and 4/15. And actually, we're done. These two can't be simplified anymore. 4 and 4/15.